The dumbbell chest press predominantly trains the middle and lower fibers of the pec. To set up, split squat the dumbbells up and place them on your knees. Using your knees to guide the dumbbells, lie down on the bench. Stack the dumbbells over your elbows and shoulders, creating a vertical line with your arm. Rotate the dumbbells to around 30 to 45 degrees from your torso, with your upper arm matching this angle. Next, plant your feet on the ground and pull your shoulders down toward your hips. To target more of the lower or costal pec fibers, you can create an arch in your lower back by bringing your feet closer toward your butt, feeling a good stretch in your quads, although this is goal specific and not necessary. For the action, on the eccentric, lower the dumbbells to the middle of your sternum or nipples. As a general rule of thumb, the edge of the dumbbell should gently touch the edge of your shoulder in the bottom position. On the concentric, press the dumbbells up, focusing on smashing your bicep against your chest or bringing your elbows together. For proper alignment, focus on keeping your forearms vertical by stacking your wrists over your elbows. Maintain an angle of 30 to 45 degrees between your torso and upper arm, with your hands matching this angle. And lastly, maintain shoulder stability and lat engagement by pulling your shoulders down toward your hips.